I've loved building since I was a kid, even since the first time my dad put a hammer in my hand. I think if I had seen more women growing up with tools in their hands or on a construction site, it probably would have entered my mind earlier that maybe I should go to trade school. Definitely since building this house, it became such a reminder that I was like, I think I'm actually gonna shift my life and my career to be focused around building and teaching others to build. I'm Megan Pogoda. I'm a builder and I'm teaching other women how to use tools. I think as humans, we function best when we are balanced. I love to be in these loud party environments. I was a resident at several different nightclubs, like the biggest nightclubs in Vegas. I toured with Lil Jon for 2 years. I got to stay in fancy hotels. I got to ride in private jets. In order to recharge, I like to be in these very quiet environments. I drink tea. I walk around barefoot. I pick vegetables from the garden. I'm like a new age techno hippie, I guess is like a good description of me. Probably the last 15 to 20 years on and off, been doing visuals. And then I also started building stages because projection mapping was just kind of coming out. And in order to project onto a surface and map it, you need the surface. So I started building things and painting them white, throwing projectors at them. And that was what inspired me to take on the task of building my own house. Can you stay out there for just a little bit? Thanks. Okay, so this is my office. When I lived in Vegas, I had a 5-bedroom house and I just had so much stuff. I had rooms that I never went in. Tiny houses were really starting to become like a fun, trendy thing. There were a lot of shows online. I started obsessively researching, going down all the rabbit holes. I was like, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna build a tiny house. I'm gonna figure it out. I'm gonna figure out how to pay for this. I'm gonna watch a bunch of YouTube videos. And that's when my journey of building a tiny house began. Designing it around myself has been a really fun process. I've done a lot of things in my life that are unconventional. It's given me the confidence to do things that I dream of. And I just want to share that passion and skill with as many people as possible, especially women, because you don't traditionally see women in roles in the trades. Build It Betties formed organically out of my project building my tiny house. I'm Megan Pogoda, and this is Build It Betties. Being an artist, anything I'm working on, it's gonna get like branded in some way. Build It Betties just kind of came out of my mouth. Now I call all of my friends my Betties. Like, I need a Betty to come over and help me. I created the logo to, have that Rosie the Riveter feel. I didn't expect to be teaching other people. I started building this house and I started documenting it and posting stuff on social media. And so many friends, especially women, were like, that's so cool that you're building your own house. Even if I can inspire someone to hang some curtains, repaint something, buy a vintage piece of furniture and refurbish it, like, that just makes me so happy to know that like something I did could inspire someone else.
Oh, it's so Look at that puppy.
There's less people going into the trades. Like, a lot of kids are coming out of high school and want to go into tech and computers and all that stuff. But like, we really still need people building things. And I think there's a huge opportunity for women to step into a career that they haven't previously been present, we could use a little bit more feminine mindset in the trades in general. Like even with the workshop yesterday, we did a sound bath. Like who does a sound bath before their build day?
Wow.
I think it's one of my favorite things when I see another woman light up after using something that they were intimidated by. Just like the reaction I see from someone using a miter saw. There's like so much excitement, like I did that and I can keep doing that. My favorite moment in the workshop was walking around and everybody was at a tool station just helping each other, like, oh, let me hold that for you. Okay, we'll take turns. How about that? You'll get to use it for a while and then I'll use it for a while. A women build crew, it just makes me so happy. And the fact that they were so proud of their little toolbox that they made, and they'll have that on their shelf at home or be using it and taking it places like, I built this. Really, the mission of Build It Betties is to inspire more gender diversity in the skilled trades. I would like to just see more women entering and balancing out the industry. I'm a super Libra because I have something like 5 planets in Libra. I think that just really is symbolic in the way that I look to achieve balance, whether it's masculine, feminine, digital, analog, nature, city. I just always want to find a way to feel grounded, at peace, but also motivated. I build because I want to lead by my example. I don't want to just tell people how to do things. I want to show them what is possible.